Hey guys, and welcome to the unboxing of our new camera on the set, the Sony A7 III. Now, I bought it with this specific bundle. It comes with a free 64 GB USS 2 memory card and external camera charger as well. If you don't want this bundle, you can probably get it for cheaper, but I'd prefer getting it with the bundle because instead of getting in the bundle, if you buy them separately, actually they are more expensive. So on the back of the box, as you can see, it tells you some of the specifications of the camera and some of the configurations you can use with the camera, but we don't really need all that. So we are very excited to cut the seal open. So let's get it over with and see what comes in the box. So let me cut this seal open. Yes. So yeah, this is going to be our new camera on the sets from today, and it shoots 4K video, so the video quality should be much better than what it is till this point. So raising the lid off, as you can see, it's closed in a particular fashion like this. So the first thing you can see is the free SD card that we have on there. This is a UHS 2 memory card, the Master Series memory card from Sony. So it's gonna be very fast. It has a 277 Mbps read speeds, which is insane, and it's 64 GB. So if you are buying that separately, you're going to be spending about 10,000 rupees. So here we have the 3 years warranty leaflet that comes with Sony. So we have 3 years warranty with this. Here we have paperwork, and then we have more paperwork. So let's put all that aside and see what else is there in the box. So lifting the other thing, we can see this power cable without any adapter, which is a little bit weird, but let's put that aside and see what else we get in the box. So lifting this lid off, as you can see, the first thing you see is the Sony Alpha 7 strap. Actually, I'm a big fan of Sony's, and looking at this and knowing that I really own this thing now actually gets me very excited. So let's put that aside. Next, we'll be looking at the lens. So I actually bought it with this lens combo because all the other lenses are very expensive now. This is not a cheap lens. This is 30,000 rupees, but it's still better than the other lenses that will cost you up to a lakh and more starting prices. So to get started, I just thought I'll buy this lens with it and then upgrade as we go. But it doesn't feel like a kit lens because it's obviously 30,000 rupees and above. So it's actually very well built and looks pretty stylish and goes very well with the Sony A7 series of the cameras as well. It's got this nice finish and rubberized rings for both zoom and focus. And let's open this. Yeah, that's the E-mount of the lens. And let's see how the lens cap and everything else looks. Yes, so this is how it looks without the lens cap. Let me close that. So yeah, this is going to be a nice starting point for me, and this also gives very sharp results. So let's see how it turns out. So next up, we'll be going with the hood, lens hood. So we also have a lens hood with this setup. So it's a nice thing that even the kit lens comes with a lens hood. Now we have the camera itself. So let's take the camera out. It's actually placed in this very slippery kind of material. I was almost about to drop the camera there. Let's take the camera out of this protective sleeve and take a look at the camera itself. So here it is, guys. This is the new Sony A7 Mark III camera, and yeah, it's different from what you see in YouTube or what you see in the pictures until you hold it. It's actually feeling pretty substantial and feels very nice in hand. It's made of this magnesium alloy body and feels very premium in hand. Yes, this is the back side of the thing. We have this flippable display here, and these annoying little mounts for the straps are still there. I tend to remove them on every camera I buy, so I'll be doing the same for this as well. So yes, let me put that aside and see what else we get in the box. So yeah, here nothing is there, so let me lift the other one and see what else is there. So yes, we have the battery itself. So this is the new Sony battery, the NPFZ11. So this one is supposed to get a battery life of up to double the previous cameras like the A7 II and the A7R2. So it's a nice thing. It has double the capacity as well. So it's going to last you up to an entire day if you are shooting 4K video or continuous stills. It's going to be very good. So let me put that aside and see what else is there in the box. Next up, we have the power adapter. So this is the missing part to the cable that we found earlier in the box. So as you might know, this camera doesn't come with an external battery charger. It just comes with the adapter and the cable. So you'll have to use a Type-C or micro USB cable to charge the camera while the battery is already inside. If you need an external battery charger, you'll have to go in and buy it. So I'll advise you, if you're gonna get this, get it in the bundle. It's way cheaper than that. And then here we have the micro USB cable, which is very cheap for the price that the camera comes in. So yeah guys, that's been our unboxing of this camera. Leave a like if you like the video, subscribe for more cool stuff like this, and I'll see you in the next one.